Ciao guys, and welcome back to It's Delicious, your most authentic and Italian cooking channel that you'll find on YouTube. So welcome back. Today we're going to be making polipetto, which is baby octopus. We're going to be making a nice cold octopus salad. It is delicious. I found a beautiful baby octopus. So look at it, beautiful and fresh, and it's small, so it's nice and tasty and tender. The smaller the octopus, the more tender it is. So I'm going to be making this today. It's a quick recipe. It's easy. The first thing we're going to do is boil it. It's not marinating or anything like that. I'm just keeping it in water so it doesn't dry out. So the first thing we're going to do is boil it. I've got a pot of water here. And the water has to be salty, so I'm putting in 3 tablespoons of salt into this pot now. It sounds like a lot, but it's not. It has to be salty water when you're making octopus, and you want to get it nice and tender. So the first thing we're going to do is just throw the whole octopus in there, and we're going to let it boil for 20 minutes. Okay, so while we're waiting for the octopus to get cooked, I've got 2 cloves of garlic here, 2 cloves, and we're going to chop it very fine. So just remember, always watch your fingers, guys. Put your fingers out straight, and that way you can't cut yourself. Okay, so I've cut this nice and fine. You can put it into the bowl. No, actually, yes, let's put it into the bowl. Okay, and then some nice fresh rocket. Okay, I've got a nice full hand over here of rocket and 2 cloves of garlic. We're going to chop this up as well. Rocket, rucola, whatever you prefer calling it. So now we chop this as well. Okay, it's nicely chopped up, nice and fine as well. So the traditional octopus salad, Insalata di Polipetto, is made with parsley. But that's, everybody makes it like that. So I thought I'd show you something different that, in my opinion, goes with the polipo, the octopus, much better than parsley. It's something different. I mean, even while I'm chopping this, I'm getting that aroma. It's the garlic and the rocket and the octopus cooking over here. It's just a delicious, it's a marriage made in heaven. You'll see that when you put them all together. I'll show you how we're going to put them all together just now, and then when it's all chilled and ready to eat, it's delicious. You'll absolutely love it. So I'm going to wait for this to cook now. I've chopped up my rocket and my garlic, and then when this is ready, I'm going to cut it up and I'm going to show you how to put it together. Okay guys, so the ingredients that you're going to need to make this salad, like I showed you, it's the rucola, the rocket, just 1 big nice bunch. Remember, it's a small octopus, so if you're making more, just double up on everything. So I've got 2 cloves of garlic. It needs to be quite garlicky, chopped very fine, and a nice big handful of rocket. Then you're going to need lemon. I got these off my tree this afternoon, so I'm very proud of my lemons. You need some extra virgin olive oil, pepper, salt, and I use a little bit of chili. Okay, I've got just dried chili over here. I would put some, even if you get a very mild chili, it gives it a beautiful taste. So if you don't want it hot, just put a little bit in, but it does give it a nice taste. I put quite a bit in. I put about half a teaspoon into this salad, which gives it a little bit of fire, makes it nice and hot, and I like it like that. So the octopus is almost ready. We're going to take it out and let it cool for a little bit, and then I'll show you how to cut it up, and then we start making the salad. Okay guys, so the octopus has been cooking for 20 minutes now. I'm going to switch it off, take it out, just put it in a little plate to cool down. It's going to be very, very hot. And then I shall show you how we're going to cut it. Look at this beauty. Look at this. Absolute. Oops, let me make all the water fall out. Just so I can show you. If you can see it. I'm going to lift it so you can see it properly. Look at that. Absolute beauty. So you can see that's a real baby. It's going to taste delicious. They're so hard to find, these baby octopus. But we've got one. I'm going to let it cool down now, and then we'll carry on. Okay guys, so the octopus has cooled down. Now I can show you properly. Look how beautiful that is. Okay, so now it's time to cut it. Don't cut it into very small pieces, because you know, you want to taste the octopus when you put it in your mouth. If it's all too small. Okay, so watch me now as I cut it. I'm just cutting, I'm separating the legs. See how tender this is. Okay, now what some people do, I don't like doing it, but what some people do is they like taking the skin off. Now you'll see it just comes off very easily like this when it's cooked. See, it just comes off. So if you want to do that, do it. But I don't. I like the color of the octopus, so I'm going to leave it all on. So now cut it into nice pieces like that, like nice bite-sized pieces, not too small. Okay, so you can actually get a nice piece in the salad. Alright, so we're going to cut all of this now, put it into the bowl with the okay, where there is a lot of thick skin, you can take it off. So we're going to put that all into the bowl, and then we'll take it from there. Right. Okay guys, so now the octopus is in the salad. You can see this is tiny, it's just for one person. So what you're going to do is you need to squeeze a lemon in, half a lemon into all of this. Half a lemon is enough. Just use your hands to catch all the pips, like that. Squeeze it through your fingers. Okay, half a lemon. Pepper, we're going to put about a half a teaspoon, not even, a quarter teaspoon. Quarter teaspoon of pepper, like that. I'm going to put it. Chili is to taste. As I said earlier, it's up to you how much chili you want to put in. I like putting in quite a bit. And then some nice extra virgin olive oil. Look at these colors, look how beautiful this is. Look at that. This is absolutely, if you could smell this, you'd want to eat it all right now. Okay, so we've mixed it all up now. I haven't put in any salt because I want to taste it first. Remember, it was boiled in salt water, so it might have enough salt already. I think it will have enough salt. Before you serve it, taste it, you might have to add a little bit more. The next step to this is to put it in the fridge for about 15 to 20 minutes, just so it cools down and the olive oil gets sort of like jelly, you know, it gets a bit coagulates a little bit, gets a little bit like jelly. It sticks onto the octopus nicely. So before you serve it, you have to put it in the fridge for a while, let it cool down nicely, and then when we serve, I'll show you a nice way to serve it as well. Okay guys, so the salad has been in the fridge for about 20 minutes. The olive oil has gone nice and sort of like jelly, so it's gone a bit thicker. So now I'm just going to show you how to present it as a starter if you have guests. Try and make it look nice. So pour in, just do it in the middle of the plate like that. Make sure you get all the sauce, all the lemon juice, all the olive oil. Make it all go in like that. Okay. Then just get a slice of lemon. This is just for decoration. So just make it nice and thin. Cut it in half and cut it in a quarter. Then get 2 nice rocket leaves. Put them on the plate like that. And put your 2/4 of lemon. And some nice, I've got some nice olive ciabatta. And there we go. There is your beautiful octopus, baby octopus salad with octopus and rocket salad, Insalata di Polipetto and rucola. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, please. It's called It's Delicious on YouTube. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. I need all the subscribers I can get, so please subscribe and enjoy your salad. Buon appetito. I'll see you soon. Ciao, ciao.